like I said on my Facebook, man, I hope to raise a kid that's able to stand on their morals and their integrity and beliefs enough to where they'll risk it all.
Yeah.
I'm with that, 1,000%. Like I had a dream a little while ago, man. It was the craziest dream ever. Probably because I watched The Time to Kill. But in my dream, motherfucker ran in and shot up my family. And I woke up after killing them and I just felt good. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got you, motherfuckers. Like, y'all had to pay. To me, that's the way the world should be. Like, yeah. Take for example, we can police our own communities if we start doing shit the right way. Like,
true.
Like, let's say, I don't know, Jimmy from up the block then raped little Charlene. Hang that motherfucker.
Yeah.
Hang his motherfucking ass, bro. At least beat him to a pulp, something. You gonna have to figure this shit out. Going to jail and having other people handle our problems, that's not. Nah. Fuck all that. Why can't we police our own communities?
Because then you'll be labeled as a vigilante.
So?
And taking the law in your own hands, and that's not righteous. It's not. You can't live lawless in the land of laws. That's what they say.
I see what you're saying. I just think certain laws don't apply everywhere.
Yeah.
Like, how you going? You're never gonna make me understand how a person can get life for selling drugs, but a person can go fucking touch on a baby and get 6 years. You're not gonna ever make me understand that. I don't give a fuck what the situation is.
That's a system flaw.
Right.
That's just the flaws in our system.
But I don't necessarily think they flaws. I think they designed that way. Yeah. They don't give a shit. Because that shit that could have been fixed a long time ago. Well, you know they put those laws in. That shit had to be written. It had to go through Congress and the Senate.
Not even yes and no. When shit like that happens, like the police, they'll get you and oh yeah, we're gonna give you 45 years for this and blah blah blah. They use that scare tactic to try to scare you. At the end of the day, you take it to trial, you get judged by a jury of your peers, and that judge decides how much time you get. So your time, your life is in the hands of that judge. And what he sees fit for the crime. If that judge has been paid off, or the DA or the lawyer or whatever, they got some deal worked out, or have any type of influence upon your life, or if you can be just a favor or anything, or if you have money to buy your way out of it, is all variables to the outcome of how much time you get, including your skin color, your demographic of where you're from and everything. It all takes a factor in the outcome of your judgment.
So you don't think that's by design?
Yeah.
That's what I just said.
I'm just saying, you said it had to be like written in laws and stuff, but it's just like, I understand, but at the end of the day, the judge can be like, nah.
Right.
You know what I mean?
And that's a law too.
I see your
because he was given that power.
Oh yeah, I see your recommendation for 10 years, but I don't see fit crime. I don't see time fit for the crime. I think he deserves 23 years.
Man, I done seen that with my own eyes. Motherfucker plead after doing 5 years. They try to give him 22. Like, what the fuck? What part of the game is that? Like, not only did you pretty much seal my chances of going to trial, but you didn't supply me a good public defender like I'm supposed to have. And on top of that, you fucked me around after I pleaded out.
Oh, yeah.
So, man, these motherfuckers crazy. And I think that shit is by design. Have you ever watched the documentary, The 13th? It basically said the 13th Amendment allowed slavery without allowing slavery. Like, they started locking up a lot of black dudes for nothing, like stealing a beer and giving them 30 years. Shit like that. Just to keep the slaves intact. Because the United States don't really export anything. Only thing we really have is people. We farm people. That's why this is a corporation. That's why every little thing is taxed. We have the greatest military, the most expensive military, and we farm people.
The prison system is the legal slavery. They still got the check. I was watching a Boosie interview from Vlad TV, and he was saying that the chain gang still exists. He's like, ain't no, I mean, like 1940s, 50s chain gang. They chain all these people together. They walk miles and they go farm. They go pick this. They go do this. Same shit. This is legal slavery.
Yeah, I mean, we saw that with, them fucking making license plates and, making shit for different companies to keep companies from shipping jobs overseas and paying them 19 cents and shit. If that, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's terrible. It's terrible. But what are you supposed to do? You know what I'm saying? I think they should send convicts overseas and let them fight in the war. That's what I think. Give them the opportunity to fight for their freedom.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? As long as they wasn't no violent criminal, you know what I'm saying? Like a serial killer, fuck, nah, you keep your ass locked up. You know what I'm saying? And rapists and child molesters, nah. But if a nigga was selling drugs or robbed a bank or something, let him go on over there and fight for his freedom.
Yeah.
Ain't like y'all gonna treat him any better than jail in any fucking way.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But yeah, people burning their shoes, all they Nike shit. I actually seen somebody in person say that they was gonna burn this shit. And I'm just looking like, and the first thing they were talking about was religion, and I'm like, it's not a religion thing. Did you know that? It's not a religion thing. It's about police brutality. People like Sean Bell.
Oh yeah.
People like Trayvon Martin, even though that wasn't a cop, but unjust murders and shit. People like Mike Brown, Tamir Rice, Eric Garner. You know what I'm saying? The list goes on and on.
Boys in Baltimore and stuff. It's like,
right.
Wow.
Sandra Bland. Goes on and on.
And we getting killed by the people that's supposed to serve and protect us.
Right. Man,
who vow to serve and protect the community that they don't know.